She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
Hello, welcome to my channel, Wit of All Trades. As you can see, I am jamming to Ball Greasy. I'm showing you mascara from e.l.f. and I will be applying that to my lashes. So applying mascara first makes it easier to take your lashes off. Well, it makes it easier for me to take my lashes off, because once the glue gets on the lashes, or if they get on the lashes, then they will come off easily because of the mascara that's on there. It'll be like peeling paint off the wall. So like I said, as you see, I'm putting mascara on my lashes. So what I'm showing you now is eyelash glue by Revlon, and I will be applying that to the lashes. The lashes that I'm showing you, I got them off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So I'm going to apply the glue to both of the lashes just to give them both time to get tacky, and I'll be able to put them on easy because they'll be tacky enough for me to put on. I have a black eyelash glue that I got from the Dollar General. I couldn't find it at the moment, so I just used what I had. To me, this one has a stronger hold, the Revlon. The one I got from Dollar General, it's a stronger hold, but it's more flexible to me. So what I'm doing is I am using some tweezers and I'm putting them in the middle, putting the tweezers in the middle of the lash, and I will apply it to my eyelash in the middle of my eyelash. I hope I said that right. I'm also still learning how to apply lashes, but I can tell you this, the more that you try, the better you'll get. I don't care if you go and buy some dollar lashes just to try. You know, practice makes perfect. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure my corners are stuck. Make sure when you are putting lash glue on, make sure you put a little more on the corners, so your lashes won't lift on the corners. Right now, I'm squeezing them together with my lash and my eyelid. Just so I know that they are secure to my eyes. Now I'm about to apply the second lash. For some particular reason, the second lash gave me the most trouble, but I managed to get it on. It gave me so much trouble that I had to use my fingers. And yes, I can put my lashes on with my fingers too as well. So I said practice makes perfect. So as you can see, I'm squeezing them together. My eyelashes with the falsies along with my eyelids, just to make sure that they're secure. Yes, there will be other videos with me in the same outfit. I decided to knock out 4 videos tonight, and hey, I got them done. I hope you like my lashes, guys. I think I did pretty well, huh? What do you think I did? How do you think I did? And yes, I know I need a retwist, but hey, not ready for that just yet. Right now I'm taking some eyeliner pencil, going under my upper eyelid where the lashes are, just to darken them a little bit. Making sure they're perfect for me. Now I'm showing off my work. You all have a good night. Bye.